an update from a story we first told you about in April. A Fort Jackson soldier accused of an assault in a Richland County neighborhood that made national headlines was in court today to face the charges against him. News 19's Emily Correll joins us now live from the Magistrate Court in Columbia with a recap of everything that happened today. Emily.
Alicia, so Jonathan Pentland appeared in court today on charges of assault and battery in the third degree, like you said, from back in April. You might remember a viral video of a confrontation between Pentland and another man. We don't have that video because of licensing reasons. We can't show it right now, but it was shown on social media all far and wide. Now, the judge, per the judge instructions, we couldn't record inside of the hearing today, but what you're seeing now is video from back in May of a hearing. They began this morning around 9 o'clock with a pretrial where the defense called 6 witnesses, including Jonathan Pentland, his wife, and the alleged victim. They ended around 4:30 with the alleged victim testifying for the state about the day of the incident. He said he was just trying to walk away from the situation and keep things peaceful. Now court resumes on Monday at 9 o'clock. We're thinking here at the Central Magistrate Court. Alicia?
Emily, thank you very much. Dozens of protesters showed up in protest outside of Pentland's former home where the incident took place in April. They came to Columbia from all over the state, and some came as far as Greenville and Charleston. Protesters showed up to say that Pentland's actions were not okay as they chanted and held up various signs calling for justice and accountability. Later that night, Richland County deputies showed up to move Pentland's family from their home to another location. Deputies said they had to close the neighborhood to residents only after objects were thrown at the home and one object went through an upstairs window. In April, Fort Jackson confirmed Sergeant First Class Jonathan Pentland was suspended from instructor duties pending what's decided in court. In a statement, Fort Jackson Commander Brigadier General Milford Beagle said, quote, "Soldier conduct on and off duty must be exemplary to retain the trust of our communities and our nation."